What if you could silence those aching joints in minutes, using a single natural oil from your kitchen? That persistent discomfort in your knees, your hands, and your shoulders doesn't have to control your day. The solution isn't always a pill with a long list of side effects. For centuries, a powerful natural remedy has been used, and modern science is now confirming its incredible effects. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover the 6 key facts about this potent oil. Number 1. Identify your new secret weapon. When targeting joint pain swiftly and naturally, one oil stands superior: essential oil of ginger. Its concentrated compounds, like gingerols and showgales, are nature's answer to inflammation and pain. This oil acts as a targeted relief agent, yet it's purely natural. It brings a soothing warmth when applied, boosting local blood flow, easing stiff muscles, and helping to reduce swelling. Many people with ongoing joint issues report feeling a difference remarkably fast. Number 2. Why this oil is so uniquely effective. The natural substances in ginger oil actively block the very enzymes that drive inflammation, the same mechanism targeted by many over-the-counter drugs. But it does more. Its antioxidant properties help shield your joint tissues from further damage. Unlike synthetic options, this approach offers not just temporary comfort, but also encourages your body's own repair processes over time. Number 3. How to use it correctly. For external application, just a few drops are all you need. Massage it gently into the sore area. Using it 2 or 3 times daily is ideal. Perhaps after a warm shower or before sleep, so it can work overnight. To unlock its full potential, try placing a warm compress over the area after massaging. The heat opens pores, allowing the active ingredients to dive deeper for enhanced relief. Number 4. Important safety and blending instructions. Important. Ginger essential oil is highly concentrated and must be mixed with a carrier oil to prevent skin sensitivity. Excellent choices are almond, jojoba, or coconut oil. They are gentle on your skin and offer their own mild benefits. A simple recipe is 5 to 10 drops of ginger oil blended into 1 ounce of your chosen carrier oil. Your homemade, natural joint support is ready. Number 5. Internal use and alternatives. What about internal use? You can also support your joints from the inside. Adding a couple of drops to warm water or herbal tea is one method. You could also sip on fresh ginger tea. This internal approach helps your body manage inflammation systemically, promoting joint health from within. And if ginger isn't for you, several other natural oils possess anti-inflammatory qualities. Consider rosemary, lavender, or eucalyptus oil. Arnica oil is another strong contender. They each support muscles, joints, and circulation. However, the evidence for rapid, focused relief from joint discomfort is particularly strong for ginger oil. If you found this guide helpful, please support our channel. Give this video a like and subscribe to Natural Life Hacks for more ways to live well, naturally.